The models M1 and M2 wired as well as M1 and M2 wireless are set to English on delivery as standard, but can also be switched into 7 other languages as required. The desired language can be selected in the CycleComputer settings. To configure the language, go to the Settings menu by pressing and holding the Set button for a few seconds. Open Setting flashes on the display. Language then always appears as the first menu item. You can now change the language. Press the Set button to open the setting and the Back button to scroll to the desired language. Confirm the selection by pressing the Set button. The response Set OK appears on the display. The unit can next be set. The speed can be displayed in either kmh or mph. The distance traveled is correspondingly measured in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. The desired unit can be selected in the computer settings. Press the Back button to scroll to the unit settings. Press the Set button to open the setting. Press the Back button again to scroll through the options until the desired unit appears on the display. Confirm the selection by pressing the Set button. When using models M1 and M2 wired, as well as M1 and M2 wireless, a specific wheel size can be set for one bike. This is set using an entry in millimeters. Press the Back button to scroll to the wheel circumference setting. Press the Set button to open the setting. The flashing digits can be adjusted by pressing the Back button. Once the correct value is displayed, confirm the setting by pressing the Set button again. The next digit flashes and it's ready to be entered. Once all digits have been set, confirm the setting by pressing the Set button again. The time can also be displayed in 2 different formats, 24-hour mode or the English 12-hour AM/PM mode. Press the Back button to go to the time setting and open this as usual by pressing the Set button. Now press the Back button again to select whether 24 or 12-hour mode should be set. Press the Set button to confirm the selection. The time setting then opens. The hour digit flashes and can be adjusted by pressing the Back button. Once the hour digit has been correctly set, confirm it by pressing the Set button. The minutes value now flash and can also be adjusted by pressing the Back button. If you press and hold the buttons, the digits change more quickly. Once the correct minutes value is shown on the display, press the Set button to confirm it. The next setting on the M1 and M2 wired, as well as the M1 and M2 wireless models, relates to the speed indicator. One function is always displayed on the device in large format. If you change from the speed to another function, e.g. distance, you can revert back to the speed on the display by pressing the Set button. However, the speed indicator can also be returned to the display automatically using the auto speed setting. It will then automatically appear on the display after a few seconds without you pressing any buttons. Press the Back button to scroll to the auto speed setting. Press the Set button to open the setting. This setting can be enabled or disabled by switching it on or off using the Back button. It's also possible to set the total distance on the M1 wired and wireless models and the total time on the M2 wired and wireless models. This is used to either reset the total values, for example, at the end of a season, or to transfer the total values from a previously used cycle computer. The values are entered using the same process as when setting the values described above. Once all the desired settings have been made, you can exit the Settings menu and return to the Function menu. To do so, press and hold the Set button for a few seconds. Close Setting flashes on the display. The display then switches back to the Function mode.